Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the MATP Indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the MATP Indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 25 different strategies, with 6 of them being winners. We have also tested a total of 389 indicators, with a total of 158 winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you can take any one of those 158 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Okay, so today's indicator is the MATP Indicator, and you can see it here on screen. It consists of quite a few different parts, but really what we are concentrating on are these little labels here. I know they're hard to see. You can see an S and you can see a B. You can see an S here. Those are basically buy and sell labels, buy and sell tags. Let's see if we can't go in and turn some of the rest of this off, so that way it becomes a little bit easier to see the labels there. There we go. See the B's and the S's there. And so the setup on this is pretty simple. When we get an S, we're going to go short. When we get a B, we're going to go long. So not too much to it. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. Alright, so we pick up the first signal right there. It's going to be a buy signal. Unfortunately, that one's going to get stopped out relatively quickly when we get the sell order right here. Now that one does get us to take profit. Let's double check that just to be safe. Yeah, way in to take profit. Continue on with it here. Alright, we pick up a buy right there on that one. This one looks like it's also going to get us to take profit as well. Going forward, We get a short right there. Let's see if this one gets us there. It does get us there also. Then a buy there. Let's see, stop is 105, so it stays within our stop. And once again, gets us to take profit. So far, doing pretty good. Short right there, same deal. Definitely take profit. Moving on. Pick up a buy over here on this side. Right there. I think we may have been able to squeeze out take profit on that one. Yes, we were. Then a sell right there. Let's see where this sell takes us. I think we barely missed take profit on that one. We do. Let's continue forward here. Get a buy here on that one, but that's all right. That jumps up a little bit for us right there, getting us to take profit. This one, unfortunately, though, it's going to get us stopped out. Let's just double check it just to be sure. So from there to there. Ooh, it is close. It is right barely within our take, or our barely within our stop is what I'm trying to say. And so that one, though, does end up getting stopped out as price action continues upwards right there. Then we pick up a buy right here on this one. Go ahead and move forward. That buy gets us to take profit. So again, we're still doing pretty decent. Not too bad. Let's see what happens the rest of the year here. See if we pick up another one. We do pick up a sell right there on that one. And that will close us out for the end of the year right there. All right, so before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon-only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up for the Patreon, it'll give you access to the Patreon-only channel, where we are posting some really great advanced information about trading indicators, trading strategies, and trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay has also put together a rather lengthy list of winning indicators for the MT platforms. So if you use the MT platforms quite a bit, that'd be a very handy list for you to have. Our regular members, as well as our admins, are also posting regular, almost everyday trade analysis, market analysis, where they are putting up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly where they are entering and exiting trades, taking profits, a whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And lastly, one new thing that I've been doing recently is I've put together an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. And so that sheet shows exactly which ones were winners, which ones were losers, has their win rates, as well as links to the videos to go back and review those strategies. And so you'll get that, as well as the full list of indicators that we've tested with their win rates, as well as which ones were winners and losers, and so on. So a lot of great stuff that you'll get, a lot of wonderful benefits to becoming a patron, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. Really super cheap. I highly recommend it. So, all right, back to the indicator here. Let's go ahead and get everything in focus here. We'll count this out and see what we get. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. We have 12 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 winners. So that's barely going to edge up over that 60% that we're looking for. All in all, not a horrible indicator. Gave us a decent amount of trades in a year, got us over that 60%, and yeah, did relatively decent. Not too bad. So yeah, this one will go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to Tradingview, and if you use that link to Tradingview to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.